This could be the car for you. The 2019 Nissan Murano. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make even the most ordinary task a pleasure in this stylish Murano. This well-equipped midsize crossover delivers an exceptionally refined interior with plenty of cargo space and a smooth, relaxing ride that leaves you relaxed and recharged. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, third row seat, alarm, dual zone AC, stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.